Hello everyone, hope you all fine. Today I am again with you with the exercise 6.2 till question number 4. I explained you in my previous video. I will start from question number 5 today. This is the question number 5th and everything is mentioned. AB is parallel to CD, it is given in the question, and angle APQ, you can see that it is given 50 degree, and the second angle PRD is given 127 degree. Now with the help of these angles we have to find out the value of X and Y, and these two lines are parallel. We have to use the parallel line concept also. So see how we will solve this. See, I have made the figure for you, and we have to find out the value of X and Y in this. So whatever the simplest value, we will find out the first, the same value. You can see that if we will see the value of X, since AB is parallel to CD, hence angle X equal to 50 degree, because these are alternate interior angle. I explained in my previous video also all the concepts of parallel lines. So we can say that the value of X is equal to 50 degree because these are alternate interior angles. Now we have to find out the value of Y. If you will see that these two lines are parallel, and you will see, concentrate on angle APR, that's mean this angle, and PRD. These two angles are again alternate interior angles. Angle APR, this whole angle, and PRD, these are alternate interior angles. So these will be equal to each other. So we can write 50 degree plus Y is equal to 127 degree, because these are again alternate interior angles. Now if we have to find out the value of Y, we will just shift the 50 right hand side and we will subtract it. So the value of Y is equal to 70 degree, 77 degree, and this is the solution of this question. Now move to the next question. This is the good question of this exercise, question number 6. In this question we have used some concept of the physics also. This is the, you have to, I'm not reading this whole question, just I'm explaining in the figure only. These are the two parallel mirrors. These are the parallel mirrors, and one ray is incidented on this mirror and this is reflected, then again reflected ray incidented on the RS mirror and it is reflected. Means if a ray is incidented on a mirror, it will reflect. This is called the law of reflection, and it is reflected by equal angle. We will use this concept in solving this question. I am just watching you that how to solve the question. So I am showing you it. I am solving it. Just have a look. I have made the figure for you. This is the figure of the question, and in this question what you have to find out, you have given two things. This is the incidented ray for this mirror, and this is the reflected ray, and this reflected ray is the incident ray for this mirror and reflected ray for the RS mirror. Now we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. This we have to prove that. So for that we have to do the construction. First we have to draw a line which is perpendicular to the RS, and a line from C which is perpendicular to PQ. This is the construction part we have to do, this one. Now you can see that though I have not made the fine figure, so by the law of reflection, the incident angle, this angle, should equal to the reflected angle. Similarly for this mirror, the incidented angle should be equal to the reflected angle, and this is called normal in the terms of physics. So we can write it we can give some name to this, as we can give the name as PL and CM I have written here. Now see that I told you the incident angle is equal to the reflected angle, so we can write it like X and X. We can assume anything, you can assume AA also, and here also the incident angle, but we don't know that what angle is this, so we can assume it Y. So we have written these two angles are equal and these two angles are equal. Now we have to prove that this line is equal to this. For that we have to prove this whole angle, that's mean 2x angle is equal to 2y angle. If these alternate interior angles will be equal to each other, then we can say that easily that this is parallel to this. So what we will do in this question, just see. You can see that I have written something. First we will write the construction part. Draw BL which is perpendicular to RS and CM which is perpendicular to CPQ. Now by the law of reflection, incidented angle is equal to reflected angle. Just see for this mirror only. You can see that this angle ABL is equal to CBL. This is incidented angle and this is reflected angle. These will be equal to each other for the mirror PQ. Now see, similarly for the mirror RS, you can see that BCM is equal to angle DCM. Both are also incident and reflected angle. Now you can see that these two lines are parallel to each other because these are perpendicular to these surfaces. That means these will be, this is 90 degree and this is also 90 degree. Hence these will be parallel to each other. Hence angle X equal to angle Y because these are alternate interior angle, you can see. So if BL is parallel to CM, BL is parallel to CM. So you can see that angle X equal to angle Y because these are alternate interior angle. If we multiply 2 both the side, here also, so we will get 2x equal to 2y. So this whole 2x equal to 2y. Since alternate interior angles are equal, therefore these will be parallel to each other. So you can see that if we are multiplying 2 both the side, we will multiply 2 by there also. So you can see that 2x is ABC and 2y is BCD. So these two angles are equal to each other and you can see easily that these are alternate interior angles. Since alternate interior angles are equal to each other, therefore AB is parallel to CD. This we have to prove. Now move to the next. Now moving before in the next exercise, there are some theorems and this is very good theorem. The sum of angles of the triangle is 180 degree. See how we will solve it. The sum of all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That's mean we have to prove that angle 1 plus angle 3 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. But before that you have to understand the exterior angle property also, though you have studied in class 7th also. So this is the exterior angle property. In any triangle, the sum of interior opposite angle is equal to the exterior angle. That's mean the value of exterior angle A is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. That's mean A is equal to B plus C. This is called the exterior angle property of triangle. This we will use in the further exercise. Now see that we have to prove that for this angle, we have to prove that angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 180 degree. So for that you will draw a line DE which is parallel to BC and you will say this angle as 4 and this angle as 5. Now if you will see it carefully, I told you in my previous video also that the concept of parallel lines, angle 4 is equal to angle 1. Angle 4 is equal to angle 1. Why? Because these are alternate interior angle. Similarly, angle 5 is equal to angle 2 because these are again alternate interior angles. Now if you will see carefully to this, angle 4 plus angle 3 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because DE is a line. Yes. Now you can substitute the value of angle 4 as angle 1 and in place of angle 3 you will write angle 3 and in place of angle 5 you will write angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. Hence you can see that angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This we have to prove. The sum of all the three angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Now move to the next question. Before going in exercise 6.3, we will see some examples, though there are so many examples, but I will explain this example because this is important example. Example 8, in which we have to prove this. But first you have to understand what is given in the question, what is telling the question. Now see, I will explain. I'm not going to read the question. I'm just explaining that what is given in the question. This is a triangle. Okay, I will explain you with the help of figure, doing myself. So now you can see in this figure that this is a triangle, and in this is the extended line, which is the angle bisector of angle EBC, and similarly this line is also the angle bisector of line, and these two lines are meeting at that point. I will show you with making myself. Just see that in this question we are extending the AB line till E. You can see side by side in the figure also, till E we are extended it, and similarly we are extending the AC line D up to D. Now if you will bisect this angle is bisecting. So this bisecting line and the angle bisector of this line, these two lines are meeting at the point O. Now we have to prove that. You can see that BOC, this one, BOC is equal to 90 minus half of angle this. This angle is half of angle this. Now see, for that you can see in the question also we have mentioned that it is X and it is Y and it is Z. Now as we know that this is the angle bisector line, so we can assume it as A, that's mean it's 2A, and similarly it's as B, it's mean 2B. Now we will apply the exterior angle property in this triangle. First we will take the exterior angle 2A. We can say, we can write it angle 2A is equal to 2A is equal to X plus Z. X plus Z. Why? By exterior angle property of triangle. Similarly, if you will see the B, so we can write it 2B is equal to X plus Y. 2A is equal to X plus Z. Y I have written, but it is X plus Z. It actually X plus Z because exterior angle is equal to the sum of opposite interior angles. So it is X plus Z and it's X plus Y. The 2B is equal to X plus Y. Now see what we will solve it. We can assume the upper one as equation number 1 and the down one as equation number 2. Now if we are adding equation 1 and 2, what we will find out? See, now you can see that I have added equation 1 and 2. The left added and the right one added. X plus Z plus X plus Y. If you will see carefully, we can take 2 as common. So 2A plus B, and here is X, but if you will see it carefully, this one, X plus Y plus Z in the figure, X plus Y plus Z, the sum of all the three angles of any triangle is equal to 180 degree. I have just explained it right now. See, it's 180 degree. Now first we will take the A plus B. A plus B, if you will see carefully, A plus B. So in the place of A plus B, because we don't require A plus B, actually we required this angle, angle BOC. We required angle BOC. It's B, it's O, and it's C. We required angle BOC. So for finding BOC, what we can write? Because the sum of all three angles is equal to 180 degree, A plus B is equal to 180 minus angle this. So in the place of A plus B, we can write 180 minus angle BOC is equal to X plus 180 degree. Now we will further solve it. Now see that we have further solved it. It's 182 multiplied by 180 minus BOC equal to X plus 180 degree. Now 2 will move to the upon the other side, and 180 minus BOC is equal to X by 2 plus 180 upon 2, that is 90 degree. Now see that we will moving all X by 2 and 90 degree here and BOC there, and BOC become positive. Now you can see that 80 minus 90, 180 minus 90 equal to 90 minus, in place of X, what we can write? In place of X we can write ABC. So I have written in place of X ABC upon 2 equal to BOC. This we have to prove. Angle BOC is equal to 90 minus ABC upon 2. You can see that this part we have to prove. Okay, now move to the next part.